RV Guy here, bringing you another fantastic value in pre-owned Class A. This beauty's a 2005 35-foot Winnebago Adventure. That's right, top of the line gas coach. Basement air fiberglass roof, thermal pane windows. I'm telling you, this is nice. Let me start out by showing you the inside. Inside, you're going to see exactly why Winnebago is so famous for quality. First, how about full Stitchcraft furniture? This is actually power. It turns into a sleeper or it reclines just with a touch of a button. Almost nobody else gives you that. This is Winnebago fully laminated roof. This is not just glued together or pieced together. This sucker's one solid piece. Same thing for their floor. Winnebago makes their own framing in-house. Nice captain's chair here. Look at how nice this window is. It's huge. And these thermal pane windows here are very, very good for insulation. A lot of manufacturers brag about how much R rating. We got R9000 in the walls, but then their windows are just standard glass, which means that you basically have your door open. This sucker does not have that problem. It's going to keep you cool. Winnebago's been famous for having amazing kitchen layouts. Not only is it all solid surface countertops, but look at this. You can cook for a fortress worth of people in here. You don't have a problem at all. Very high quality woodworking. There's a reason why Winnebago is synonymous with the word quality in the RV business. Of course, you've got the nice large oven with the steel coverings on that. I've even got an additional flip out if I need even more space, which you're never going to need for your kitchen. 4-door Norcold refrigerator with digital temperature control. Top of the line appliances in this. It does have the ice maker, which is nice. I like to have my martini shaken, not stirred. Just like James Bond, that's about the only thing we have in common, unfortunately. And the actual workhorse chassis this is on is reinforced by the incredibly strong in-house made frame from Winnebago, which makes it so you don't have to worry about relying on the walls to provide structural support like you do in a lot of the coaches, which can lead to problems over time where you get leaks because of the stresses that can occur on the actual coach itself. Speaking of stress, you're not going to have any stress if you get a motorhome from Mr. Motorhome. Almost 4 decades in the business, selling nothing but pre-owned motorhomes, A+ Better Business Bureau rating the whole time. Look at this matters. True Air. This is a basement AC system, just like you have in your house. That means I don't got giant cutouts, huge holes in my roof where there's heavy air conditioners up there. Instead, just like you have in your house, I've got a big AC unit in the bottom which has tons and tons of power. I'm talking 27,000 BTU of cooling power. I love the solid surface countertop in here along with the beautiful mirror so I can just see my, ooh, look at how nice I look in there. Everybody looks good in a Winnebago. If I open up the nice glass door here, we can take a look at the bathroom. It's just got a lot of space. The actual bedroom itself, it's got a nice walk-around bed, lots of areas for you to be able to put storage anywhere that you go. And of course, when you're buying a Winnebago product, the main thing that you're purchasing is the construction quality. The thermal panel walls that they make in this have some incredible insulation. That coupled with the nice insulated glass and the fact that you actually have interlocking joints joining the roof to the walls and the walls to the ceiling, that's all the difference in the world than the ones that just come together in a T-intersection. Cheap construction quality is going to bite you in the butt every single time on a motorhome. Just look at how big and nice this is. And remember, the roof on this is a solid one-piece fiberglass roof. It's not that rubber roof that's going to cause a black streaking. And let me tell you, those fiberglass roofs last a lot longer than those rubber or TPO roofs as well. Why don't we take a jump to the outside? Now, from the outside, this looks like it's just about brand new. It's got very, very nice vacuum bonded walls that are pushed together with 144 tons of pressure over a long period of time. Winnebago also gives you your Store More slide system. Full covers on all of your slide outs, which is fantastic. If it's raining or if you got dirt and debris that gets on top of your slide and you don't have those awning covers, you're toast, man. That gets straight inside. Full power awning with a metal cover to protect it from UV rays over the time. And of course, outside entertainment system. You can sit there and rock out to National Public Radio or Prairie Home Companion. Hold on, just thinking about that, I almost fell asleep. You've got the fully molded fiberglass backs that actually have overlap to the end of the wall. This wall doesn't end here, it ends here, and you actually have that nice double seam overlap, stopping water from getting in. Of course, you got your backup camera. This is the definition of a walk-on roof right here. Incredibly strong trussed roof system, and it's a fiberglass roof, so you're not going to be damaging it like you would some of the other ones. And Winnebago gives you all sorts of quality. Look at how easy it is for you to be able to hook up your tank connects and your dumps. Love the Santa Flush system. Never ever going to have to stick a hose down your toilet again. And I love the fact that their Store More slide system gives you all this storage space on the slide out itself. Look at how big that actual box is. It's fantastic. Guys, if you're looking for a pre-owned motorhome, you got to come visit us. 9501 East Stockton Boulevard, right here in Elk Grove. Not only have we been doing this for about 4 decades, we've got inventory completely pre-owned going around our entire building. And we do a full systems check on any unit before it goes out to make sure you don't have any problems. Lon Lundgren would rather wrestle Hulk Hogan no holds barred than let a bad motorhome get to you. It's just not going to happen, folks. Mitzi RV Guy, hoping to hear from you real soon.
Hi folks, Lon Lundgren, Mr. Motorhome. Come see us, Highway 99 and Elk Grove Boulevard.
But keep an eye out for the guard puppies.